Raindrops keep falling on my head. I just like the guy I've been down before his bed. Something seems to fit. Those raindrops keep falling on my head. So I just did some talking to the sun. I said I didn't like the way things were done. Sleeping on the job. Raindrops keep falling on my head, they keep falling. But there's one thing I know. The blues came to meet me, to defeat me. I won't be long till happiness comes up to greet me. Rain's keeping on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will be seen turning red, crying out for you. Hey, I'm never gonna stop, because I'm free. Nothing worries me one time. World is full of hassle. When we feel it, we know we're free, and then everything comes up to breathe us. There we go, that's my words. There we go. There we go. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Hey, try it out. I'm never going to stop the rain, because I'm free. Hey, because I'm free. Nothing worries me. Nothing worries me. Nothing worries me.